All right, everybody, this is our last break of the night. Can you believe it? That was fast, right? I've only been live 43 minutes. Topps Chrome, single box break. Everybody got 3 teams. So good luck. Let's see what we got going on here. Mike Trout. Got a Kevin Gassman refractor. BJ Upton. Suckers. Poor Braves. It's the competition. Dominic Brown refractor. Brandon Barnes X-Fractor. Alfredo Marte for the D-backs. Oswaldo Arcia refractor. Starlin Castro and a Profar 72 refractor. Nice card. Will Myers rookie. Blue refractor for the Rays. 159 out of 99. Will Myers, he's a Ray. Adrian Beltre refractor. Hunter Pence X-Fractor. We have Ben Revere refractor. Justin Verlander. Mike Olt. Marcell Ozuna. All right, let's see what we got. You ready? Sepia, that's going to be to 75. Wow. Wow, that's a huge hit for the Orioles. Bam! That is a monster card. For the Orioles, Sepia refractor Manny Machado. Holy smokes. Man, that's a great hit. All right, nice color. So let me see. If you bought one spot, it was $13. So each team cost you $4.33. Derek Jeter, 72 refractor. That's a nice card for the Yankees. Whoops. You guys didn't see that. And Robbie Cano, don't you know? Sepia Robbie Cano. 24 out of 75 for the Yankees. Jackie Bradley Jr., refractor rookie for the Red Sox. Mike Zunino, rookie for the Mariners. And Paul Goldschmidt, Manny Machado, and Trevor Rosenthal. So that is the third break, guys. All right, so here is the recap. Robbie Cano to 75. Manny Machado auto to 75. Will Myers rookie to 199. And Alfredo Marte for the D-backs. Pretty good break. I mean, all across the board, not bad. All right, guys. Yeah, they did. Let me go ahead and save this video.